Hi everyone, this is Florence from 𝗧𝗢𝗘𝗥 and today I'm going to show you the reporting feature on 𝗧𝗢𝗖𝗢𝗢𝗡. One of the best things is that in this tab you can see all the information about your Google Ads account, like the impressions, clicks, conversions, client spends, average CPC. Then you can see all the campaigns, the status, clicks, cost. Then we have the Facebook Ads tab. That's basically the same as the Google Ads one, but with the Facebook information. Here you can see the campaigns as well, impressions, clicks. Then in the attribution report, we can see conversion report. You can see opportunities, revenue, total contacts, total sessions. You can filter everything. Then on the call reporting tab, we can see all the call stats like the answered and missed calls, top sources, calls. You can filter everything too. You can see all the calls, the answered ones, the missed ones, first time calls, average call duration, latest phone calls. Then on the agent reporting tab, you can see the opportunities, the conversions, the text messages, the emails. And here we can see the call metrics, the automation calls, manual action calls, dialed calls, and incoming calls. And finally, we have the appointment report tab, when you can manage all the booked ones, the confirmed ones, showed, no showed, cancelled. You can manage all your appointments in here. Here you can see channels, source, outcomes. And then we have the calendar. Again, you can filter everything. You can manage the view. And here we have more filters. It's pretty organized.